Look, here's a cleaning robot. It's like having your very own cleaning assistant, helping to keep your floors spotless. And here's a robot chef. It can whip up delicious meals for you, taking on the role of a master chef in your kitchen. Check this out, an intelligent sorting robot. It's a pro at sorting packages, speeding up logistics and making delivery services way more efficient. Notice a trend? AI-powered robots are already taking on blue-collar jobs like cleaners, movers, and even chefs. But can AI lend a hand in white-collar jobs? The answer: yes, with 3D avatars. I'm one of them, a 3D AI avatar. Just like in this video, I can appear on camera, deliver content, and provide expert knowledge in all kinds of fields.
I can host events, easily handling press conferences and public gatherings.
I can also be a lawyer, answering your legal questions with ease.
Plus, I'm available 24/7, ready to chat one-on-one with anyone who needs assistance. If robots are the blue-collar workers of AI, then 3D avatars are the white-collar professionals. So, what do you think? Ready to have an AI friend that's always on duty, anytime? Give it a try today.